Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Man, it's been a week, but I got something really good in store for y'all for today. My daughter is a huge Cat's Eye fan and she wanted a sweatshirt to wear to school. So what did I do? Ran outside, got me a sweatshirt, got the tools. In this video, I'm gonna show you both how I do the letters in Cricut Design Space, and I'm gonna show you all of the pressing settings and tools that I use to make this sweatshirt come to life. This is the sweatshirt, these are the tools, but before we get started, if you can, please like and subscribe below for more content like this. Let's get started. So we're over in Design Space, and what I created was a black outline. It's a square. I just did it the size of the sleeves because I wanted to make sure the letters line up correctly. Here are my letters, and I did my letters from small to big. I usually do my designs in Canva, and then I upload them into Cricut Design Space as a SVG. I like to do that because sometimes Canva just has a variety of fonts, and this one kind of really stood out to me. You've seen me use Varsity before on the senior sweatshirt. My daughter really loved that sweatshirt and wanted one similar for hers. On the right-hand side, you can see everything in the column says attached. It's because I've attached the letters together just to make sure when I go to cut that my letters do not separate. I've broken the Cat's Eye logo into two so that I can play around with the sizing for both parts of the logo. So icon is what Cat's Eye fans call themselves, or what Cat's Eye calls their fans. And yep, I spelt it wrong, but I wanted to make sure I put icon on the sweatshirt, but have the letters similar to the Cat's Eye logo. And the Cat's Eye logo is custom, so I'm trying to get as close to that as possible. I played around with a few fonts and landed on Aldine as the best option. The first one that I tested, when I put the letters together, it didn't mesh as cleanly as I'd like. So I redid it and went with Alden, and that worked out perfectly. To get the letters to come together, I'm using the line space and just separating until it touches to the point that I'd like. When I did it, I realized that the O and the N were not moving as close as I would like as every other letter was. So I ended up unattaching the letters completely and working solely on the O and the N and bringing all of those over to the K individually. I then arranged my letters so that everything was even and aligned correctly. I wanted all of my letters to connect and print as one piece. So I used the combine feature and I did combine, unite to keep everything together. Now to confirm all my sizing before I go to cut. I'm using two different HTVs. One is shiny and one is matte. So for all of the matte designs, I'm putting those onto the screen and getting ready to cut. I like to maximize my vinyl, so I am putting every single piece on one 12 by 24. As always, when you're doing iron-on, make sure you mirror your designs. I have a brand new blade in my machine, so I am using the default settings while cutting. Now y'all know I love to weed. I just put on some music and keep going. I'm using my Walla heat press from Heat Transfer Warehouse. This is set to 320 for 15 seconds. So I'm gonna let y'all in on a secret. I did not change the size of these letters. I originally had a medium shirt because she said she wanted a little oversized, but when we went to the store, she ended up getting a small, but my letters are sized to a medium. So I'm gonna be doctoring this up. What I ended up doing was actually folding the sleeves in half and just pressing again and then removing the entire vinyl. Once it was finished, I just did a final press just to seal everything together, and there we go. The same temperature for the back of the shirt that I did for all the other press. I'm just lining up the icon, and then this shirt is about to be done. All right, so the sweater is all done. See it here. See here, can't wait for her to actually get a chance to wear it. So for more videos like this, I'm really excited just to continue to share some of my work with you all. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.